Hello, welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making homemade southern potato salad. To start with, you're going to need at least 5 cups of potatoes. You can use whatever type of potato you prefer. I used russets. I just like the taste of them. That doesn't mean you have to use those. This is your recipe. You can change it however you like. You're going to take the potatoes and cut them into medium sized to small pieces so that way when you mix them through in the salad, they're actually something you can get onto a fork rather than having, large chunks of them. So once you get them all cut up, you're going to take a medium to large pot, put your potatoes in, and then you're going to add water until it goes over the level of the potatoes. You don't have to fill the pot completely full, but you do need to cover the potatoes with your water. So once you get your water in, turn it on, get a lid on it, and that way you're going to let it sit until it boils. Usually to boil the potatoes, it takes about 20 minutes. The easiest way to test to see if they're actually done is to take a fork and try to put it in the potato. Judging on how hard it goes through the potato, if it's really resistant, it's not cooked all the way through. But if you actually have no hesitation, like when you're pushing a fork in and it goes all the way through really easily, your potatoes are cooked. So once you've drained the water out, you'll need to put the potatoes into a bowl. It's okay if they're steaming hot because when you go to mix in the other ingredients, it doesn't really matter if it's a hot potato or not, it's still going to mix through. So set the potatoes to the side and then start another bowl, which you're going to add a cup of mayonnaise. To that, you're going to add 3/4 cup of pickle relish. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and you're going to mix it all up. Make sure that everything goes through and the mayonnaise and all the other ingredients are mixed thoroughly. Okay, on top of this, you're going to add a a tablespoon of paprika and salt and pepper to taste. This is your choice on how much you add in on that. And then a a tablespoon of celery seeds. Mix it up again, make sure everything goes through. You want all of the seasonings mixed into everything. Once you've got it all completely mixed, you're going to want to pour it over top of the potatoes. Now with a spoon or spatula, mix the mixture all the way through the potatoes so that way everything is coated. Okay, next you're going to take a stalk of celery and cut it into very fine pieces. You don't want large chunks of this. You want something that's really small because when you're eating your potato salad, you don't want huge hunks of vegetable that kind of distract you from the taste of everything else. Okay, next you're going to need 3 green onions, Again, cut them in smaller pieces. Now, in addition to this, you're going to add about a half a cup of regular onion. You're just going to cut this up in very small pieces. If anything, this is just going to give a little crunch factor to the potato salad, but if you don't like onions that much, you don't have to use as much. You can cut that back. Now once you have everything cut up, you're going to put this on top of the potatoes and the other mix you've already made. Now mix everything up again, because you want to get all of this thoroughly mixed through. You want to make all the vegetables mix in with the potatoes and all of the other ingredients. Now you're going to need 3 hard-boiled eggs. You want to cut these as decently small pieces. You don't want anything, again, overly large in this. You want them to mix through very well. The best thing you can do is basically just cut the egg in half and then split it again and then cut it into small pieces from there. Now add the egg to the rest of the potato salad mix. And again, you're going to stir it up. Now, at this point, you have the option, if you want to add a tablespoon of sugar. Some people do, some people don't. I did not show it in this mix, but if you want a little sweeter taste to your potato salad, you have that option. And it will give it a bit of a kick. It'll make it sweeter tasting. Once you get your potato salad mixed, you know you need to refrigerate this. Some people say it's good to leave it in the fridge for 3-4 hours before you use it. I'm a firm believer in putting it in the night before, and it gives everything a chance to mingle and all the flavors to mix together, because it really does do better after sitting overnight. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and join me for the next video.